Transform your Webflow website from static to stunning with captivating, interactive hover animations that will leave your visitors wanting more. Today, we're diving into Webflow's powerful animation tools to bring your elements to life. When a visitor's cursor hovers over them, no code required, just pure visual magic. Let's start by adding a basic element, like a button. To our page, this will be our canvas for demonstrating these awesome hover effects. Now, select your button in the Style panel. We'll create a unique class for it. This class is what we'll use to target our animation. Let's call it Hover Button. To make our hover effect smooth, we need to introduce a transition. Find the Transition property in the Style panel. We'll choose All Properties and set a duration. For example, 3 seconds. This means any changes we make will animate over this time. Now for the magic. With our Hover Button class still selected, look for the Add Interaction button, click on it, and choose Element Trigger. In the Interaction panel that appears, we'll set our trigger type to Mouse Hover. Then, for the action, we'll select. While hovering, this tells Webflow to apply our animation when the mouse is over the element. Now, we need to define what happens when someone hovers. Click the plus icon to add a new animation step. We can choose to animate almost any style property. Let's start simple. We'll add a background color change. Click the plus button, select Background Color, and then choose a new color for your button to transition to when hovered. As you can see on the timeline, we have the initial state and the state when hovering. Click play to preview how smoothly your button's background color changes. Want more motion? Let's add a scale effect. Add another animation step. Choose Scale, and then adjust the X and Y values to slightly enlarge your button on hover. A small scale change can add a lot of visual pop. Now, when you hover, your button not only changes color, but also subtly scales up. This combined effect is much more engaging. The beauty of classes is reusability. If you want to apply the same hover effect to other elements like images or div blocks, simply assign them the same Hover Button class, and the animation will be inherited automatically. Experiment with different properties like opacity for fading effects, border radius for rounded corners, or even transform for more complex movements. You can chain multiple animations together to create truly unique and captivating hover experiences. By mastering these simple hover animations, you can significantly enhance your website's interactivity and user experience, ensuring your visitors stay engaged and impressed. Happy designing!